Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with the pin on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just tap here to the security section. Here you'll see the SIM card lock, go there, and right now near the lock screen card or lock SIM card section, tap once on the switcher to add a pin code to your SIM card, and for example in my case that will be from 1 to 4, and just now tap to OK, and as can you see, your SIM card is locked now. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.